Chief of plane manufacturer Airbus attended the government's Digital India Week and said these initiatives would revolutionize the Indian economy and enable rapid progress.
We at Airbus sincerely believe that your government initiatives of Digital India is set to revolutionize the Indian economy, thereby promoting the actual intent to develop society both inclusively and rapidly. In a country with tremendous pent-up resources and energy, we believe digitalization is on fertile grounds to unleash considerable forces.
Powered by NNIS.